Addiction is like a descent into darkness. My hometown of Toms River saw a 51% increase in people seeking treatment for heroin addiction from 2014 to 2015.
Heroin deaths doubled between 2012 and 2015. Last year, deaths numbered over 200 in Ocean County, on average 1 death every 43 hours.
Toms River was a town and district most affected by Superstorm Sandy. 4.5 years later, our schools, families, and businesses are still struggling to recover.
As the superintendent of schools, it is my responsibility to provide safe, secure, and nurturing environments to all of our children, including the necessary programs, interventions, and funding.
As Chief of Police at Toms River, law enforcement understands this epidemic. 22 dead in 2015, 44 dead in 2016.
At Community Medical Center, we've seen many lives cut short by the ravages of drug abuse and addiction and overdose. We witnessed countless families torn apart and bright futures ended abruptly.
The average life expectancy of a heroin user is 44 years old, but the behaviors that lead to addiction do not start then. We can make a difference as young as elementary school.
As mayor of Toms River, I work every day to improve the quality of life of our residents. These students are our hope for the future.
In this grant, we propose using the funding from USA Today's Community Thrives Challenge to build opportunities for our students to be part of the solution.
Programs piloted by our student assistance counselors that provide tools to help kids cope will be expanded with the financial support of this grant.
At RWJ Barnabas Health Institute for Prevention, we are committed to our collaboration with Toms River Regional Schools to provide prevention programming, both in the schools and greater community, to provide our youth with the necessary skills to delay the onset of early substance use.
We're building a STEAM Academy School of Biomedicine. The grant will develop new courses and internships for students to learn the biology, psychology, economics, and the impact of addiction.
Funds will sponsor clubs and support groups to reach more families with addiction.
We will establish scholarships for those families and for the students going into the field of study that our partners will help us renew every year.
Most importantly, we're committed to bringing our community together and working with various agencies and our nonprofit partner, Hope Sheds Light, to keep addiction in the hearts and minds of everyone so that one day we can conquer it.
I'm Steve Willis, co-founder of Hope Sheds Light, a nonprofit dedicated to shining a light on the disease of addiction and providing resources and an education to support a healthy community. Together with love and hope, we will serve each other to become that healthy community.
Help us win the USA Today Community Thrives Grant by voting at act.usatoday.com.